Hey guys, today we are going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging. Yay! So this is for the month of October, and this is a different kind of bag. Normally it's like a bright purple bag that's kind of like shiny, but this one is pink and it actually says Ipsy on the bag. And I think this was the first or second month that I was able to customize a choice in the bag. Hopefully it's like Halloween or like spooky themed, we'll see. Okay, so we have the bag here and it is Betty Boop. I think that's her name. Yeah, so that's interesting. I guess it's kind of Halloween-esque in that it's like a character or like a costume or something. And the back is a black sequence, which is really cute. Oh, and the little zipper has a little bee on it. That's really adorable. So, oops. So the first thing we'll pull out is from Benefit. It's a Beyond mascara and it says they're real. I guess that's the brand of the mascara. So that's pretty cool. I don't remember, I think this might have been the one I picked. I don't remember, but I really wanted to try like another mascara. And let's see, is it brown or what color is it? It doesn't say what color it is. So let's just open it up and see what it looks like here. It looks black, I think. It smells, I don't know what it smells like, but it's really cute. I love these little mascara tubes. They're perfect for traveling, and I just really like trying different mascaras because it's really hard for me to find one that I actually like. The next one we have in here, it looks like it's a lipstick. Oh, it's a Betty Boop and Ipsy collab. I guess this was an Ipsy collab situation here with Betty Boop. So I'm gonna guess it's red. Oh, it's not as red as I thought it was going to be. It's actually a really pretty color. It's called Mauve It Baby, and that's exactly the color it is. It's actually really pretty. I actually really like this color. I don't know who made this. It's Betty Boop and Ipsy. Does that mean Ipsy made the lipstick? I don't know. So let's pull out the next thing in here, which is a leave-in conditioner from Grow Long, which actually I have had this before. I don't know if it was from Ipsy or what, but I've actually tried this before. It actually is pretty nice. Okay, it's not like mind-blowingly like amazing, but like it does work and I do like it and it does smell good. This one has a seal on it, but I have tried it before and it does smell pretty good. The next thing we have in here is, we'll just pull this one out. This is a, I'm guessing eyeshadow. So it's from Basic Beauty. It says it's called It's October 3rd. Oh, it says it's a jelly blush. Interesting. It doesn't feel like a jelly. It just feels like a regular blush. That's weird. Okay, well, there you go. It doesn't, it's so weird. It says jelly blush, but it doesn't feel like a jelly. It just feels like a powder. Okay, well, it's a pretty color at least. So far, everything's kind of going together here. The last thing in here is a Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream All Day Moisture. Okay, it says it's made with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. Okay. Smells fine. It smells kind of fruity almost. Oh, it's got shea butter. That's why it smells like that. It smells like shea butter. So yeah, it smells fine. I don't know anything about hemps or hemp seed oil or anything like that. I mean, if it's a good moisturizer, I guess that's good for winter, but I don't know. I'm kind of like meh about this bag. I got like 2 things that aren't makeup and then 3 things that are, but these 3 things aren't like wowzers. One of them is from Benefit, which is nice. And then the other one is the Betty Boop lipstick, which I guess goes with the bag. It's a pretty color, but I don't know anything about like the lipstick or anything. And then this one said it was a jelly blush, but it doesn't feel or look like a jelly. So it says that the jelly blush, maybe mine is dried out or something, because it says that it's a matte dusty rose blush that glows on wet with a creamy texture and dries down to a powder-like finish. So I don't know. Is it right? I don't know. I'm impressed. Okay, well that is the bag for this month. It's not as spooky or Halloweeny or as fun as I thought it would be. I feel like October is really the month where you can like ham it up and like put out products that normally people might not like want, but it's like, well, not like want, but buy for themselves because it's like, you know, a special fun month because of Halloween. But I'm just a little disappointed. I kind of feel like this could have been any month, honestly. I mean, it's cute with the Betty Boop thing. But honestly, how many people know who that is? Like, she's an old cartoon and like she was old before me. So I'm not sure any young people would actually know who this is. She's not as much of an icon as she used to be. Like, I don't know the last time I've seen or heard of Betty Boop. But you know, whatever. Maybe she's making a comeback and I'm just not hip enough to know. Could be. But overall, that was my bag. I'm meh about it. Kind of wish there was like, even if the lipstick had been like a cooler color, you know, like a green or like a blue or a black or something, you know, something fun. And like, I feel like Halloween is like sparkly. There should have been sparkles, but what are you gonna do? Hopefully they'll pump it up for November and December, but we'll have to see. So that's it for today. I do hope you guys did enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I have all my social media links below. They're all at Colie Cheops, and I do hope to see you guys next time. Bye!